Right, so it's very nice today. On the 15th of September 2023, here's Nurminiityntie. We'll check the name of the beach later. It'll be Backgangsvägen, but we'll check it later. It's next to the little grocery store here in Karakallio in Espoo, Espoo, region of Finland, and it's also close to Espoo. It was built in 1994 by Otis with series of pictures, turning 30 years old in the next year, 2024. It's also this emergency number and from the 1st of January 1993.
Yeah.
Let's get to runs here. This is vacancy. And we have filmed this vacancy as well.
Yeah.
But Stakes and B don't have it, they're told over.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, they don't have it.
Mm. Is dit paikkivaiskutat maintained by Coney?
I like this one, so the smell in here.
The same. That's